Hey guys, it's Superdog here, and today, sad to break it to you, but there will be no more videos of me on our mother's phone. Or maybe. But anyway, let us go in the kitchen. I'm not gonna ask for potato chips. I know I have a potato chip problem on, Mother Evans' channel. So now, we're just gonna... What's that smell? Blah, blah, blah. What is this? Oh, that smells good. Put the camera in there. Look at all those crabs. I'm gonna get one, but don't want to get one too soon. Maybe there's a snack. Let's see what's in the fridge. Okay, nothing. Ooh, a Popeye's chicken sandwich. I already ate that. I don't know why it's still in there. By the way, the sandwich is really good. You should go buy it. They already made like a butt ton of money in 2 weeks after they added this chicken sandwich, but alright, nothing in there. Ice cream. I'm gonna get some ice cream. Shut the door. Oh boy, I love me some ice cream. Just, what is this? Pizza? So many things to choose from. Might as well get some ice cream. Open the top. Look at that ice cream. I'm eating now. Did I get ice cream on my face? Keep eating. None on my face yet. Well, I didn't finish it, but that doesn't matter. I already ate that much. I only ate a little, by the way. Time to close this bad boy back up. There. Hut. Wait, hold up. I gotta open the fridge. Hut. What the? How did you get out of your place? Hold up. There. Go back in there.